Здравствуйте, друзья! Hello friends and welcome to my Russian language learning series. This is the 11th lesson of the series. Until now we have learned greetings, polite expressions and some basic words. Today we will learn something very important, personal pronouns in Russian. How to say I, you, he, she, we and they. So let us start without any delay. Repeat the words after me. Let's learn them one by one. Listen carefully and repeat after me. The first word that we have is ya. Ya. Ya is the Russian pronoun for I. I. Ya. Next we have ti. Ti. Ti is the Russian pronoun for you. It is used in an informal setting with your friends, with your family, or it is also used to denote just one person if you want to talk in singular way. Ti. Ti. Next we have вы. Вы. Вы is also the Russian pronoun for you, but it is used in a formal setting with your seniors, with your teachers, with your boss. Вы. It is also used when you want to talk about many people in plural way. Вы. So we have two pronouns for you in Russian. One is ti and the other one is вы. Ti is the informal one and вы is the formal one. Next we have on. On. On is a Russian pronoun for he. If you want to talk about a man or a boy, you would use on. Next we have Ana. Ana. This is the Russian pronoun for she. If you want to talk about a girl or a woman, you would use Ana. Ana. Next we have muy. Muy. Muy is the Russian pronoun for we. We. Muy. And the last one for today we have Ani. Ani. Ani is a Russian pronoun for they. If you want to talk about a group of people, somebody else, you would use Ani. Ani. Okay, so I know this was a short lesson, so just let us practice quickly again. I will say the English pronoun and you say the Russian word. So the first one that we have is I. So what is the Russian pronoun for I? Ya. Ya. If you want to say you to your boss in a formal setting, to your manager, what is the Russian pronoun for that? Вы. Вы. If you want to talk about a boy, what is the Russian pronoun for he? On. On. Similarly, if you want to talk about a girl, what is the Russian pronoun for she? Ana. Ana. If you want to talk about a group of people in which you belong as well, for example, we, what is the Russian pronoun for we? That is muy. Muy. And last but not the least, if you want to talk about a group of people in which you do not belong, if you want to talk about somebody else, what is the Russian pronoun for they? It's Ani. Ani. So thanks for watching this video. You now know Russian pronouns. These are the building blocks of every sentence. These are very basic ones. So in the next lesson, we will learn how to say, I am a student, she is a teacher, and so on, using the verb to be. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.